How to choose accounting software in 2026 as 5 questions that decide everything. There are hundreds of accounting software options out there in 2026. And if you've ever tried to compare them, you know how overwhelming it gets. Pricing pages, feature lists, free trials, reviews that contradict each other. So instead of comparing every tool on the market, let me give you a smarter approach. Answer these 5 questions, and the right software will basically choose itself. Question 1. How complex is your business? This is the first thing you need to be honest about. Are you a freelancer or solo consultant sending a few invoices a month? Or are you running a team, managing inventory, tracking multiple income streams, and dealing with payroll? Because the software that works for a one-person operation is very different from what a growing business needs. For most small businesses and solo operators, you don't need the most powerful tool on the market. You need something clean, fast, and easy to use daily. And that's exactly where Xero stands out. It's built to scale with you. Simple enough when you're starting out, powerful enough as you grow. You're not going to outgrow it. Question 2. Does it connect with the tools you already use? This one is underrated, and most people don't think about it until it's too late. Your accounting software doesn't live in isolation. It needs to talk to your payment processor, your e-commerce platform, your payroll system, your CRM. If it doesn't integrate, you're manually entering data from 5 different places. That defeats the whole purpose. Xero integrates with over 1 Xeros and apps, Stripe, PayPal, Shopify, Square, Gusto, HubSpot, and more. Whatever tools you're already using, chances are Xero connects to them directly. That means your sales, payments, and expenses all flow into one place automatically. No copy, pasting, no double entry. Question 3. How good is the tax support for your country? This is critical, and it's where a lot of generic software falls short. Tax rules are different everywhere. GST, VAT, sales tax, income tax thresholds. They vary by country, by region, sometimes by product type. If your software doesn't handle your local tax requirements, you're going to have a bad time at the end of the year. Xero is built with local tax compliance in mind. It's used in over 180 countries and handles region-specific tax rules automatically, including GST, VAT, and multi-currency transactions if you're working with international clients. Your taxes track themselves in the background, and when it's time to file, your reports are already prepared. Question 4. Will your accountant or bookkeeper actually like it? Here's something most people overlook. Your software isn't just for you. If you work with an accountant or bookkeeper, they need to access your records too. And if they hate the software you're using, that friction costs you money in extra hours and miscommunication. Xero is one of the most accountant-friendly platforms available. Most professional accountants and bookkeepers are already familiar with it. Many prefer it. You can give your accountant direct access to your Xero account with their own login. They can review transactions, prepare reports, and manage your books without you having to export and email files back and forth. It saves everyone time, and it keeps your financial records clean and accurate. Question 5. Is the pricing honest and predictable? Nobody likes surprise charges, and in 2026, a lot of software companies hide features behind upsells, add-ons, and per-user fees that make the actual cost much higher than the advertised price. Before you commit to anything, look at what's included at each pricing tier. How many users? How many invoices? Are bank feeds included? What about payroll or inventory? Xero's pricing is transparent and straightforward. You know exactly what you're getting at each plan level. And compared to other tools in its category, the value you get, especially with integrations, bank reconciliation, and reporting, is hard to beat. Start on the plan that fits your current size. You can always upgrade as you grow. So let's recap the 5 questions. 1. How complex is your business? 2. Does it connect with your existing tools? 3. Does it handle your local taxes? 4. Will your accountant be comfortable using it? 5. Is the pricing clear and fair? Run any software through those 5 questions and you'll cut through the noise instantly. And if you want my honest recommendation, for most small businesses in 2026, Xero checks every single box. It's the one I'd start with, and the one I keep coming back to. Link is in the description if you want to try it. If this helped you, subscribe. I post weekly videos on accounting tools, business software, and practical ways to manage your finances smarter. See you in the next one.